So if you want to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed on your Android without any third-party apps, so watch till the end and I'll tell you a little secret how to enhance your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed. So first of all, make sure to connect to the desired network which you're gonna be testing. Now open up your Google and search for internet speed test. Quite obvious. Now, this is gonna be a built-in Google application which is gonna help us do that. Let's press run speed test and it started. So first of all, it's your download speed. And here is your upload speed. So the results are clear. You can see your latency. You can see that my internet connection is good. So you can either press test again to check other network, or you can finish because we're done here. Here is a little tip for making your connection faster. Do not forget to close your background running apps which are consuming your internet, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.